March is National Crafting Month and has St. Patrick's Day. Hopefully, you're going to get lucky and win some of the many giveaways that are part of National Crafting Month, including a giveaway that I'm doing here on YouTube and on Facebook. Stick around till the end of the video for more details on my giveaway. You won't have to wait very long because the Cricut Design Space for Desktop update version 7.3 has one new feature. The only feature showing up in the What's New pop-up is that there is text box editing. You can now add or edit text directly within the text bounding box on your canvas. No more separate text edit window. On a new project, I'm going to go ahead and click on text here on the left-hand side, and it'll bring up this box that says text. It stayed the same in that it's still the Cricut Sans size 72 font, and I'm just going to go ahead and just type in what I want it to say. You can still make the normal adjustments of your alignment, your line spacing, letter spacing, all of that. When I click on text again to do a new text box, it's showing up in the exact same place, and I can type in again, but since it's harder to see, I'm going to move it over. And then if I click again, it brings me into that same text box, and I'm using my arrow keys to kind of go through the letters. It's allowing me to edit the text in this text box compared to before when it popped up this separate window that you can see here on the screen now. The other adjustments to the text box are going to be seen when you've rotated your text and curved it. So we're going to start by taking the word rotate. We're just going to rotate it. So that stays the same as normal. If I go in and choose to edit this text, you'll see the light gray preview of what it will be. The dark gray is where I have the ability to edit the text without trying to do it at the rotated angle. As I type, you can see that the light gray is showing where it's going to be. And then when I click away, you'll see that that dark text just popped to where the light gray text was. If I curve this, and then it does the same basic thing. The light gray is the preview of what it's going to look like. The dark gray is what I'm editing. While it doesn't give us the level of control that Rob I mentioned in a comment recently would be nice with our text editing box, it is a step in the right direction. And then there are a number of fixes as well. Now let's move on to the details of the giveaway. It will be here on YouTube and on Facebook. It starts now with the posting of this video and will go until Saturday, March 19th, where the 3 winners will be announced in a YouTube Live. So be sure you've subscribed and clicked the bell icon for notifications so you know when I plan on going live. I will post it in advance. One of the winners is going to be chosen from YouTube comments. One is going to be from Facebook. And one I'm going to choose that is live in the comments here on YouTube on the 19th. Each winner will receive a famous 143vinyl.com pin pen weeding tool, as well as $15 worth of supplies for a project type of their choice. I want to build this community instead of just talking to the air, so I'm going to talk to the winners about what supplies are best for them. Your first opportunity for an entry is right now. Comment below with what Cricut or Cricut Machines you have. I hope this video was helpful to see how this update affected your text box. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.